so next we will prepare the rice. We have two types of rice that we are making today. One is actually we've already done because this needed a little more cooking. This is a wild rice, and we leave it right here. And I'm going to show you we're going to make brown rice. This is also organic brown rice. And in a pan we put a tiny little bit olive oil, and then we are going to put it on the stove, heat it up, and simply stir the rice in when the oil is a little bit more hot, and we'll just fry it for a couple of minutes. Then we'll add water to it, and we will add a little bit of salt to taste. Alright, so I think we are getting there. So I'm going to put the rice in it, and I'm going to stir it for just a couple of minutes. And then after this we will also prepare a few vegetables. Corn will be one of them that we will mix together with the rice, but we do not cook it together because the corn is only a very short period of time, while the rice needs a little more time to cook. But this we can expect to be done approximately in 30 minutes. Okay. Let's see, we have the salt here ready. And while we are preparing this, our soup is already on the stove, getting ready. The vegetables and the chicken is getting softer. Needs another 30-40 minutes, and the soup will also be ready. Thank you. We got the water here, so we'll add a cup of water. Belemennék, várjak. I love the smell of rice frying on olive oil. Just for a couple of minutes. Alright. My mom says that this is all set. We can add the water to it. And here we go. And I think we will need one more cup. Okay. And we will put a lid on it, let it boil, and we'll check in approximately half an hour. Which one is? One. Yep, this is the one. Alright, and I will add a little bit of salt just for some taste. Not much. Just a little bit. Alright, I think you're all set. Alright, and then we will be back when we will continue with the side dishes and the chicken.